Hey guys, so today I'm going to show you guys how to mod using Chatterino. So this video is for people that are a Twitch mod for streamers they watch, or you want to mod for your own stream. So if you have not installed Chatterino already, be sure to click the link on the top right and it'll take you to my video on how to install Chatterino. After you have watched that, come back here, and anyways, let's get started. So first things first. What you gotta do is add all the channels that you mod for, which I already done. Next, what you want to do is you want to click the settings and then go to moderation buttons. So what you gotta do here, as you can see, these are some examples like that. So 3 buttons you should add is the ban command, so /ban user. And then timeout. Oh, it's already there. Yeah. And then the delete button too. Delete message. And then after that, you can add more commands like a shuttle command as well. Shuttle user. And then let's say like a fun command, snow command. And click OK. Alright. So after you have done that, what you gotta do is you gotta click this button, the mod button. So right now it's green, but normally it would be white, but then you gotta click it again to be green. And once it's green, I know it doesn't show it here, but what it does is it actually shows all your moderation buttons. So yeah. Okay, and then what you gotta do, go back here into settings, click highlights, and then messages, add, and then what you gotta do is you gotta, let's say I wanna add like my name, you know, like this here is like your name and all that, so that you get pinged like when something's going on in the chat. So let's say I wanna put snow, showing mentions, yes, flash the taskbar. Basically flash taskbar is just like, oh, like it's just yellow in the right here, and then play sounds. I'll link the Fallout sounds in the description, and then colors like whatever it highlights as. So yeah, you can like add as many like names as you want to get pinged by, and then what you gotta do is you gotta go to users, and then if there's anything here, just remove it all. So this is very convenient. As like, let's say you're lurking and then like let's say you're doing homework, right, and then you can't watch the stream. It's very convenient because let's say if the streamer themselves like have something going on then in the chat, then like the streamer just like, you know, types out like your name and then you get pinged and then you do the job. It's very convenient, and I highly recommend anybody, not just like Twitch mods, but anybody to use Chatterino. So yeah, anyways, if you like this video, leave a like and subscribe for more videos like this. Follow my Twitch, which is 604corrupt. I stream on Friday and Saturday at 7:30 p.m. Los Angeles time. Also join my Discord server, link in the description below. Anyways, see you guys.